Ross Vonda V Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of the Tommy.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Tommy, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, for one, we should have been here a long time ago, but someone keeps delaying.
Really?
Anyway,
Really?
yes, really. You want to start this here? Okay, we could have started this a long time ago.
Need to
okay.
Stop, okay.
Mr. Tommy and ma'am, really? I mean, the last time I checked, I was the judge. I was asking the questions. I should be the only person in here with a neck rolling and attitude.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Don't be sorry, just don't do it again. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, do you understand?
Yes.
I understand that tensions are high. Anytime you're talking about children and money, tensions are going to be high. But you all need to try at least to keep it together. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, continue, sir.
Okay, well, she gave me money. I don't know the exact amount, but I know it was once. And
One time?
Yes. It's
For
not
how many kids?
2.
Okay.
And they're in my care right now, and I go full-time to a film school. It's a great film school, but it's very expensive. And I am a trust fund baby. That I realize that.
And there's nothing wrong with that.
Thank you. But it's running out, and I am scared that I can't afford some of the things that they may need because they're talking about wanting to go into the same thing that I'm doing. And that scares me, for one, because it's very expensive.
Are you paying for school out of that trust too?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her?
Not that you would like.
Okay, well, please, thank you for saving me from that. This case has been pending for a long time. 6 months is a long time. And he says that you keep on delaying it.
Welcome to today's intense courtroom showdown, where tensions are soaring and emotions are running high. Mr. Tummy and M. Vonda are locked in a heated battle over custody and child support, and trust me, this case is anything but ordinary. Allegations of deception, legal twists, and even a shocking shooting incident have turned this dispute into a full-blown spectacle. But this isn't just about money. It's about family, trust, and the emotional fallout of child support battles. The stakes couldn't be higher as both sides fight for what they believe is right. Will justice be served, or will the drama spiral out of control? Get ready for unexpected revelations and jaw-dropping moments as this case unfolds. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss how this legal battle plays out.
The reason for the delay.
Your Honor, the delay is because he don't even need to have the kids. The only reason why he got the kids anyway was because of his mama and daddy in that damn trust fund. Okay, and then on top of that, he put a case on me.
Are you mad that you don't have a trust fund?
No, I'm not mad that I don't have a trust fund. I got my pension and my retirement, but the problem
so you
is
have a
he's
pension?
spoiled.
Please keep talking.
He's
you have
spoiled.
A pension,
He's spoiled.
and you have
He
a
needs to get-
retirement. Okay, but the children live with him, and it sounds like you're big mad. Because
No,
he
I'm
has
not
this
mad.
trust.
I'm not mad behind that. Okay.
What are you upset about?
I'm
exactly?
upset because he pulled the wool over my eyes, okay?
Okay.
When we first hooked up, all right, I told him what it was that I wanted to be a cop. I always wanted to be a cop, right?
All right.
So he pulls a trick and then ends up getting me pregnant.
What does pull a trick mean?
He poked holes in the condom.
Oh, okay. Well,
And now I got twins. I had the kids originally, but because him and his family got money and he got that stupid trust, guess what? He went and lied. Now he got custody. So it's been taking so long because we've been back and forth out of custody court. And then not to mention he put a case on me because I shot him in his ass. He's an asshole. That's why I shot him.
No,
my
you
gosh.
shot me in the leg,
Well, you
and
know
it
what?
hurt, and the medical bills
It was
are
your
still piling
ass.
up.
Stop,
Thank you very
stop,
much. Okay.
stop,
you know what?
stop,
Both of you stop. Both of you stop, because this is a lot. I hope you guys do not do this in front of your children. This is absolutely ridiculous. I understand that you're upset, ma'am, but the first thing you're going to do is learn how to speak without cursing, okay? That's the first thing you're going to learn how to do. Because trust me, it's a whole lot of stuff that I want to say up here, but I don't say it.
Now, that was an entrance. Did you catch the tension? It's thick enough to cut with a knife, and it all boils down to money and custody. Miss Vonda isn't holding back, accusing Mr. Tummy of deceiving her into having kids and then using his family's wealth to take custody. But this case is packed with contradictions. You'd think they're gearing up for an all-out battle, but brace yourself. The first major shocker is just around the corner. The courtroom dynamics are shifting fast, and things are about to get ugly. Who do you think has the upper hand here? Stay tuned because this legal showdown is only getting started. Clips, 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 clips.
And stop shooting people. Just because you have a gun does not give you the right to go around shooting people. Okay? Whether it's in his behind or it was in his leg, you should not be going around shooting people.
His behind.
Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, well, either way, all I need to know about is the money. And you said you did a whole lot of talking. You talked about you being a cop. You said pension. You said retirement. That is music to my ears dealing with child support, okay? So
Why?
what I need to know, okay, thanks. Hold on. What I need to know, he said you gave him money one time. Is that true?
No.
It's a yes or a no.
No, that's not true.
So how much money have you given him total?
About $3,000.
About $3,000. Whether it happened one time or not, all I need is the amount. How much money do you make a year?
$57,000.
$57,000. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Who covers health insurance for the children?
I do.
Okay, how much is health insurance?
It's $68.
$68. Okay. You're about $5 off. I have 63.
Well, 60.
check.
Okay,
check
it's
with her.
63.
Okay,
telling you.
$63, okay? $5, it doesn't make a big difference. Excuse me. I'm not going to ask you again to stop talking to each other. I'm not going to do it.
And just like that, the gloves are off. The courtroom is now as chaotic as their relationship. We're talking shocking accusations, claims of intentional condom sabotage, a gunshot to the leg, and even physical violence. In front of their kids. Absolutely jaw-dropping. But the judge isn't having it. She's laying down the law, making it clear that this behavior is unacceptable, in court and in life. However, beyond the legal battle, there's something even more troubling. The emotional manipulation of children. This isn't just about custody. It's a toxic power struggle that could leave lasting scars on the kids involved. How far would you go to keep custody of your children? Would you consider such extreme actions, or are these clear red flags of a situation spiraling out of control?
I just need you to sit over there, be quiet, and let me calculate these numbers, okay? And sir, I'm going to need you to just leave her alone, okay? I do not need her to shoot you in this courtroom, okay? So, based on that $57,000 a year, we're going to, your gross is $4,700, that's correct. Giving you credit for the $63 that you pay in health insurance, that brings your net to $3,864.83, okay? Child support, $966.21.
A month?
Yeah. What do you want it to be? You want me to make it a week? I mean, I wish I had the authority to do that, but I don't.
I put my life on the line every day,
And you know
and I
what?
gotta pay for this bum. Like, my kid's supposed to be with me
And-
anyway.
Are you kidding me right now?
Excuse me, Mr.
He
Tommy.
not
I
gonna
can
use that
handle
for the
this.
kids.
Listen here. I applaud you for going out and putting your life on the line every single day. But just like a lot of people out here, they put their lives on the line too when you are raising children. You have to worry about their safety. You have to worry about their welfare when they're no longer in your possession. So it's a lot of people out here have other people depending on them, okay?
I understand.
So if you understand, well, let me go ahead and help you understand a little bit further what else you have to do, because I haven't finished yet. $966.21 is your monthly obligation. However, this case has been delayed a lot because of you. So I'm going to make your child support amount retroactive for the past 6 months. So giving you credit for that $3,000 that you testified to, and he said that you've given him some money. You said it was $3,000. I'm going to take your word for it, okay? Giving you credit for that $3,000, your retroactive child support or back pay, whichever one you want to call it, comes down to $2,448 that you owe in back pay, and I'm going to make that payable at $55 a month. All right? So payable at $55 a month, added to your child support obligation, your monthly obligation is $1,021.21. I don't need you looking confused or anything like that, because you have a pension and you have a retirement. I need you to pinch from it and keep living. That's all I
I'm
need
not
you to
even
do.
invested. So
Well, you know what?
Invested in your kids?
I'm not, listen, it ain't about
hear
my
that?
kids
You
now.
know what,
You hear
Mr.
that?
Tommy,
need
do
to
you
stop.
have anything further?
No, you've been.
Hold up. Did you catch that? The judge is about to hit Mr. Tummy with a financial reality check, 960 sidzaks a month in child support, plus retroactive payments. That's no small amount. But here's where things get messy. Mr. Tummy is acting like he's getting the worst deal ever. He claims his job puts his life on the line daily, and while being a cop is risky, isn't every parent making sacrifices for their family? Raising kids is its own battlefield, filled with responsibilities, time commitments, and financial burdens. But wait, there's more. This isn't just about him. Vonda will also have to contribute financially to their kids, meaning the battle over who's truly pulling their weight is far from over. Get ready for more heated exchanges because this fight is just getting started.
Anything else that I could help you with here today?
I just want to make sure my kids get the money. I don't want to pay for his education.
Well, you know what?
He sucks.
You said it. Well, you know what? He ain't sucked that bad when y'all was in the bed. So
The condom
go
was
ahead. Well, you know what? Because the children are here. They live with him. You're going to be responsible for taking care of them financially. Anything else from you?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You all are dismissed.